Good morning, YouTube. Got the truck back. We got last night. And right now we're just gonna do a little walk around, and we'll also be doing an installation today. I'll explain it a little bit more once we get there. Yeah. Perfect. So I also got this replacement cover for the truck. It's goes under the steering wheel. If you guys don't remember, because as you remember, I no longer use those buttons. I've been having that cover on with unuseful buttons, so got a new one. I'm gonna paint this one as well. So, normal holes. Now I just gotta wait until I start color matching more of this stuff. Got a couple more stickers I'm gonna add on to the engine cover. I'm gonna record that right now too. Everything back together. Here's one. Here's two. This is from the homie Ram Fam. Shout out to him. AZ Truck Fest. Just never put it on my windshield because I'm gonna get the windshield replaced. So there's no reason of me putting it on the windshield and then having to get rid of it. That one didn't come out so good. The corner's gonna fuck me up right here. But oh well. Doesn't have to be 100% right. Alright guys, so you can see I got the front tubs done. Boom. Boom. Bada bing boom. I also got the cold air intake removed, made it to a smaller one, just so it would look cleaner. Got the reservoir relocated. The fuse box relocated. I also got some front shrouds done right here. Pretty much just a sheet of metal covers up this gap right here, so it doesn't expose all of the stuff like the wiring and the fog lights and stuff. Just it looks cleaner in my opinion. Moving to the back, we got the doghouse made. Normal hole in the back. And we also got tailgate shaved, so I don't have a handle back here no more. So what I'm gonna do is I had the kit from my old when I had the straight bed. I took it off so I can redo it on whatever bed I got, and I just never got around doing it. But now I have the tailgate shaved, so all I gotta do is cut it out and reinstall that handle on the inside. We'll be doing that today. Here's the other shroud from the other side view. Not bad, not bad. And I am holding up the hood right now with the broomstick, because since I did do the tubs, the springs don't line up no more. So what I'm gonna have to do is get some custom brackets made, and it'll have a custom shock that attaches it from here to here, just running across on both sides, and that'll hold the hood up. The shocks will, but for now we'll just be using this cheap broomstick until I get those made. Really satisfied with the job. Shout out to RUIZ KUSTOMZ. Make sure you guys are local to Arizona and you guys need any fab work. He gets down on anything. Hit him up, get a good price quote. He's the cheapest person I've come across that does really good work, guys. So make sure you hit him up. Tell him Dope Def sent you. You can get new tires, because before when I was rubbing, it just shaved out the heck out of my tires from all that rubbing. Look at that, looking like slicks. Yeah, hopefully now it should be good. Let's get started on the shaved tailgate. All we need is an angle grinder and a drill to reattach the handle. So yeah, let's get started. What we gotta do is grab the kit, and then you're gonna measure up the original bolts to the ones on the bed. I just want to kind of just line it up, and that way you get your marking of where you want to cut. Grab the Sharpie so I can mark it where I need to cut. So pretty much we're gonna come across, cut all this. So we're gonna start off by cutting that off, and then we'll go lower and lower as we need. If I remember correctly, I cut up to down here last time. But we'll see. We'll cut all this off first. Then you measure. So Still seems like it needs a little more.
Perfect.
You see how it fits right there, guys? So, what we'll do. What I'm doing is I'm attaching the rods that open up the tailgate. Got the rods attached. Final test. Let's see if it opens up.
Perfect.
Boom. We did it. That's the final product. Not too shabby.
Perfect.
Well, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to bell notification so you guys can get notified every time I post a new video. Make sure to go follow me on Dope Builds and follow me on Dope Death. More things coming to the truck, guys. This is just the beginning of the year, and then look how much stuff I already done to it. I'm planning on dropping off the bed real soon because I'm gonna start doing all the body work for it to get it ready for paint. So stay tuned for that video. We're gonna be dropping it off. I'm gonna be doing, since the bed's gonna be off, I'm gonna be raising the gas tank maybe like 2 inches, and then I'm also gonna be doing undercoat coating on all the frame just so it looks nice and stuff. But yeah, guys, stay tuned, subscribe, catch you guys in the next video.
Perfect.